right, today I'm gonna take Amy out in the Suicide MX-3. Gonna do some rear engine stuff. She saw it, she loves it. Her boyfriend loves the car too, so gonna take her out, roast some tires. Car's working good.
I'm pretty hyped.
Perfect. Seatbelt, you have to grab all the way down. No, you are. Got it.
It's backwards.
Drift car 101.
Yeah. I just fit in here. Yeah.
Oh, just fit.
Just fit, yeah.
And make noise if you need to.
I'm so jealous. Your pedals are so small.
I know.
It's crazy.
There was rubber on top of them,
Yeah.
and I took it off, but yeah, they're small.
Yeah, I do. How long have you been drifting for?
This is my second event. So you guys met me the first time.
Okay.
So not long.
Like, so this is your second time drifting cars?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
So this took you a long time?
To build it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 years.
Yeah. I bet you were so hyped when it was finished.
What did you think of the car?
I loved it. It was fun.
Really?
Yeah.
Did it feel any different than a traditional rear wheel drive?
Yeah, I don't know. I felt like you had more control over it. It didn't roll too much.
Yeah, it's very solid for sure.
It just has like enough power so it doesn't tilt as much.
Correct.
I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, it just goes sideways and it's smooth, right?
It's fucking sick.
Right on.
You did a good job.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
No worries.
So the weekend was a huge success. Burnt off 6 tires, no, actually 8 tires. Got 3 ride-alongs. Car didn't break. Ran mint. Had a great time. All these tires are bald. Oh, burnout. No body damage to the car. Honestly, like I could have not asked for a better weekend.